State Bank of India SBI Nongpoh Branch mynta sngi ka khat tarik Jylliew ka pynlong ïaka program Agri Loans Awareness Week ha ka shnong Nongagang Marngar Ri Bhoi District ka jingthmu jong kane ka program ka long ban kyntiew ïaka yo ka kot hakaba iadei bat ka tyngka bat banang pynkupbor ki nongrep haka thaiñ nongkyndong ban hikai ki nongrep shaphang ka jingpynthymmai ki kot kisla hakaba iadei bat ka bang hakapor ka biang bat ban kyntiew ru ka jingtip shaphang ki marrep bat ban pensapriang ru ka jingtip shaphang ki scheme ba pher ki bala ban yo alngba ka sarkar ha ka ne ka program lawan ban ya donlang da Nikhil Singh Chief Manager ka State Bank of India Nongpoh Branch Abhijit Data Regional Manager Shillong Region SBI Shillong Samir Kant Jha Deputy Manager AO Shillong SBI Shillong lembar ki pheungut ki samla jong ka thaiñ Marngar.
So we at State Bank of India Nongpoh Branch today organized Kisan Awareness Meet. There were around 50 to 60 farmers who attended the meet, and we discussed about agriculture loans like KCC renewals, which is how important it is for the farmers to help them grow. And we also discussed about SHGs, how they can form SHGs, how they can take loans for SHG from the bank. And we also discussed about the account opening part. So this is how we discussed in this Kisan Agri Loan meet. And we also gave away around 20 sanctioning letters to KCC borrowers, and one SHG group was given sanction letter today. And from in and around our Rumling block, all the villages came here.